There's a freaking 97% chance that the person who tells me I've got it all figured out on my own doesn't. But I'm not going to argue with that with them. Because I have the end-all be-all. Oh, I have the golden arc. And the golden arc is, I'll be here when you want to go from this to this. Right? Like, imagine if we were in Nepal and we had to go up to the top of Everest, and I said to the Sherpa, who's 8th generation and has summited 75 times, and he comes up with his bag of stuff and he's like, hey, are you ready to go? I can get you up to the top. I got water, I got everything, I got the oxygen, and most importantly, I have the rope. Oh, no, we've got it all figured out. I have an REI membership. No problem. I'll be here when you need to get up to the summit and make sure you've got enough rope, enough oxygen to summit and make sure that you come back alive. Fair enough? Right? And now you're looking for the 1-800 number on your REI membership card going, I am no longer confident in the solution that I have, because he was 1,000% confident. But if that person goes, REI sucks, that's stupid, 8 of the 10 bodies up there were also members to the REI membership. Right now we're having no, it's not the case because I talked to REI on the website. Now we're having an argument. Right? I'm not going to argue with you. I'm just going to say, I'll be here. Right? I'll be here when you need to make sure that you've got enough rope, enough oxygen, and you get back alive. Fair enough? Right? And then I'm going to walk up, they're going to go, wait. Right? And if they don't go, wait. It's easy for you to call back 6 months later. Right? It's just elegant. You're not putting a lot of extra stuff in there.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's beautiful, and I think the elegance, it seems like, has got to be a really, really big part of them getting the certainty they need.
Correct.
Yeah, that's the right organization for me.
Correct. It's a double win. And it's one of those things that doesn't happen to us very often in sale. Being elegant not only helps you close more deals, but it helps you work more deals. And those two things are oftentimes at odds with each other in traditional sales training. Most traditional sales training, if not all traditional sales training except what I teach, those two things are at odds. Seriously, think about any sales book you've ever read. Those two things are inherently at odds with each other. I can either have lunch with Mike, I can build rapport with Mike, I can follow up with Mike, I can deliver value every time I talk to Mike. I'm not disputing those aren't good things, especially the deliver value. Or I can work 700 mics simultaneously. You can't do both unless you have a sales process like ours, like Easton University, that's elegant, right? That doesn't have any of that fluff. That allows you to follow up without following up. That allows you to follow up without checking in. That allows you to stay focused on their current situation and where they want to go. And if they don't want to get there, you've got an net outcome statement that goes, hey, no problem, I will be here when you need blank. Not sales coaching, not a new agency, not logistics support, right? To get your top line, to get your income from that 250 grand to finally over 400. To get you to be able to participate in your son's baseball like you wanted to without taking a pay cut, and ideally actually doubling what you're making. To make sure that you have that office in San Antonio up and running without losing a single employee in the move over from Oklahoma, right? How do you dispute that? The only dispute to that is they're going to get it done without you. And if they're going to get it done without you, they were never a prospect anyways, and you're not going to win that business, so why try? Right now, what you get to do, Mike, is put them over in your sustainable pipeline and go prospect, right? No amount of lunches is going to bring somebody over to you, right? It's just going to waste your time and their time, and it's just not skillful. And I'm not saying don't have lunch, but it shouldn't be part of your sales process. It should be just a nice thing you do every now and then.
If you need to triple your sales and triple your income to truly enjoy your life, boom, I've got you covered. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. I'm going to give you my closing mini masterclass. I'm going to cover all the cost for you. It's normally $300. I got you covered. Click the link in my bio. That is going to help you start closing more deals right now. And then we're going to talk about getting you access to Easton University. It's the most skillful and effective way for you to communicate, for you to get attention, for you to handle objections, for you to network. Everything that you're going to need to triple your sales and, most importantly, triple your income so you can finally start having the life you want to have, click the link in my bio. I'm going to buy the closing course for you. We'll talk about getting you on Easton University. Your life, it's about to get a lot better.